Hi, it's Mark from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, an upgrade your starter. This one here, 1.4 all balls. Okay, beautiful starters. As you can see, here's the spec sheet you get with each one. So each one is fully tested. Okay, check your, absolutely everything. Your power, your torque. See down here, you got your torques, everything. What ampage on each particular one. So it's not like some mass-produced Chinese crap. But as you can see here, proper CNC. All this is machined. Okay, this is a brand new starter, not a recon. Proper starter. All this is proper billet. See all the alley, all machined up, not just cast crap. But very well made. Available in chrome. This particular one is for a Dyna 07 Up, or basically a Harley 07 Up. Fully rebuildable. Every single part available, literally. So if you buy one of these, you haven't got the problem where you need to buy that part or this or the insides of that. It is all available. So as you say, this is a 1.4, which although it's only a 1.4 will be more powerful than the stock Harley one anyway. Proper brass, and copper terminals to give you more power, but all the waterproof covers, etc. for your wires. But very, very high tech and very well made. So if you're interested in a better starter for your Harley, give us a bell, 01773835666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. This is available in chrome as well, and also a 1.6 version or a 1.7, depending on the bike, for the big baggers and the tourers with the big motors. This particular one, like I say, is for a 103 Dyna. If you're interested, give me a call. Thank you. Also for Evo, panhead, shovelhead, well, not panhead, but for all your older bikes as well. So if you're interested, Sportsters, your late bikes, your 14 ups, give us a call. Thank you.